Hey everyone in Khipro City. Are you looking for the perfect outfits for your family without breaking the bank? Come on down to MBK. We've got everything you need under one roof. For the little ones, we have the cutest suits for boys and girls, trendy t-shirts, tops and durable jeans they will love to wear. And for the ladies, we offer a fantastic collection of beautifully stitched suits, stylish pants, trousers, and flappers. We even have a special selection of local suits perfect for our community. What makes us special? Our owner personally researches to bring you the best quality at the absolute lowest prices in the city. You won't find better deals anywhere else. So, for amazing fashion at unbeatable rates, visit MBK'S Dukan in Khipro today. We can't wait to see you. Don't forget to like and share this video.